Samantala, kinumpirma na ng Department of Foreign Affairs ang ulat na may 200 armadong Pilipino ang ilegal na pumasok sa Sabah. Ayon sa DFA, tumawag si Malaysian Foreign Minister Anifa Aman kay DFA Secretary Albert Del Rosario kaugnay sa hiling nito sa grupo na mapayapang umalis sa Sabah. Paglilinaw naman ni Aman, walang basbas ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas ang ginawa ng naturang mga Pilipino. Samantala, tiniyak ni Del Rosario, nagkagalangin ng Malaysia ang karapatan ng ibang mga Pilipino sa Malaysia na manirahan doon sa kabila ng nangyari.
It was also established that our Armed Forces Chief of Staff and the Malaysian Military Chief were able to clarify that the activity of this Filipino group was not sanctioned by the Philippine government. Secretary De Rosario sought the assurance of the Malaysian authorities to ensure that the rights of those Filipinos who are permanent residents in Sabah and who may be among the group are respected. Philippine military and police authorities are exchanging information and closely consulting with their Malaysian counterparts in efforts toward an immediate resolution to this incident. At the same time, increased patrols and tighter security measures have been put in place in waters off Tawi-Tawi and adjoining islands.